Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, here today to show you this pre-owned 2013 Bennington. This is an R25. This is a tri-tune. Massive layout. As we come down to the back here, you'll see we got a nice swim platform, ski tow bar, and this does have the Yamaha 4-stroke 150 horsepower engine. Welcome to the interior of the boat. This layout back here has a nice entertainment area on the side, lots of storage underneath. Two very comfortable captain's chairs side by side. They do lean back, they do swivel. We've got a sink here, nice little bar. These are cup holders up here, but they are lighted as well, so that's kind of nice. We got a little bit of a raised helm area. We've got the nice Garmin GPS system. Again, lights throughout the interior. Seating and storage here, seating and storage up in the bow as well. Very nice big 25-foot pontoon that's here at MarineMax of Rogers. So come on down and take a look. And as always, click the like button and also click to subscribe.